Good morning to all of you. How are you all? Well, I hope you all must be fine there at your home and studying well. Alright, so we are about to finish our chapter number 4 of English grammar, that is the adverbs, right? And today we will be doing the remaining exercise of that same chapter. Okay, so in the exercise there are three questions, and one question number A we have done in the previous lecture. So today we will be doing question number B and C, and for that you have to open page number 18 of your term 2 pencil. Okay, so page 18 of your pencil number 2. Okay, so please kindly open this and we'll be doing the questions. Okay, so I just hope this topic adverb is clear to you. What is adverb? What are adverbs? Adverbs are the words which tell us something about. Adverbs are the words, okay, which tells us something about the verb. Okay, so the words are called as adverbs. Now let's do question number B. What is question number B? Let me read it for you. So fill in the blanks with the help of scrambled letters which make suitable adverbs. Okay. Now scrambled letters. What are scrambled letters? Let me first explain that to you. S-C-R-A-M-B-L-E-D, scrambled letters. Okay. So for example, right? See, the spelling of apple is what? A-P-P-L-E, apple. Okay. In a scrambled way. Okay. When we scramble the letters, we change their positions. Okay. See, like this. L-E-P-P-A. Okay. So अब ये letters जो है ये scrambled है. ठीक है. अब इन्हें properly हमें arrange करके एप्पल का स्पेलिंग करेक्ट बनाना है. वैसे ही in your question number B, you are given some scrambled letters in the brackets. Okay, you have to make the correct spelling according to the sentence. Okay, जो sentence दिया है according to that हमें जो scrambled letters दिए साइड में ब्रैकेट्स में, तो we have to make the correct spelling of that and then we have to fill in the blank. हमें उनको proper spelling में arrange करना है और फिर हमें blank को fill करना है in the sentence. That is what we have to do in question number B. So, did you get the meaning of scrambled letters? A letter is arranged like this. These are called as scrambled letters. Okay. So, let's begin the exercise. So, page 18 of your term 2 pencil. Hope you have opened that. Okay. So, question number B. Fill in the blanks with the help of scrambled letters which make suitable adverbs. So, question number B is fill in the blanks and so on. Now the question is so big that I cannot write the whole question on the board. Alright, so fill in the blanks with the help of scrambled letters that are given to you in the brackets, and you have to make the suitable adverbs. What we have to make with those scrambled letters? We have to make adverbs. So let's begin. Our first question is, we rise dash in the morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. And what letters are given to you? L-R-E-A-Y. Okay. So here I am writing L-R-E-A-Y. Okay. So let's first look up the meaning of this sentence. We हम जागते हैं, वी राइज डैश इन द मॉर्निंग. सो हम कैसे जागते हैं? सो दैट वी हैव टू we have to make an adverb from these scrambled letters. Now rise means jagna. This is a verb and we have to describe it more by this adverb. Alright, so L-R-E-A-Y. पहले तो you guys tell me कि how we should be rising in the morning. Early ना, हमें जल्दी उठना चाहिए, so हम जल्दी उठते हैं. Maybe sentence wants to teach us this. So we rise maybe early in the morning. So let's see कि these scrambled letters make the word early or not. So the spelling of early is E-A-R-L-Y. Let's see. It is having an E. It's having an A. R is also there. L is also there. Y is also there. So E-A-R-L-Y, early. Alright. So like with these scrambled letters, we have got one word, one adverb to be precise, right? So we rise early in the morning. So with this word we have to fill in the blank. Fill the blank. So let's write early here. E-A-R-L-Y. Okay, early. Sentence number 2. They played dash to win the match. Okay. They played dash to win the match. And your scrambled letters are L-E-L-W. L-E-L-W. Okay. So, played. What is the verb we are having in the sentence? Played. Okay. So, we have to, make one word that will just describe how they played. Okay. So, they played dash to win the match. उन्होंने खेला. वो कैसे खेला वो हमें देखना है. मैच जीतने के लिए. तो कोई भी कैसे खेलेगा मैच जीतने के लिए? अच्छा खेलेगा, राइट? सो दे प्लेड L-E-L-W. सो उन्होंने अच्छा खेला मैच जीतने के लिए. सो व्हाट वर्ड कैन वी मेक? व्हाट वर्ड कैन गेट फिट हियर? वेल, राइट? दे प्लेड वेल. उन्होंने अच्छा खेला, है ना? So well, can we make well with these set of letters? Let's see. Well, the spelling of well is W-E-L-L. Okay. Do we have W? Yes, we have W. E. We are having E. We have two L's. So they played well to win the match. उन्होंने मैच जीतने के लिए अच्छा खेला, है ना? That's our second sentence. So please fill it up fast. Early and well. Okay. Then third sentence is he ran dash to catch the bus. He ran dash to catch the bus. So what set of letters are we having? L-Q-Y, I-K-C-U. Okay. L-Q-Y, I-K-C-U. L-Q-Y, I-K-C-U. Alright. So let me first tell you the meaning of the sentence. So the meaning of the sentence is he ran dash to catch the bus. He ran dash. वो दौड़ा. अब वो कैसे दौड़ा? That we have to make like that a word we have to make by unscrambling these letters. So he ran dash to catch the bus. वो दौड़ा. अब कैसे दौड़ा वो बताएंगे. To catch the bus. बस को कैच करने के लिए, पकड़ने के लिए वो कैसे दौड़ा? Obviously वो तेज दौड़ेगा, धीरे दौड़ेगा तो बस नहीं पकड़ पाएगा, right? So he ran. Now fast. तेज के लिए एक वर्ड है fast. Can we make fast with these set of letters? See, Fast, what is the spelling? F-A-S-T. Do we have F here? We are not having F here. Neither do we have A here. S is also not there and T is also not there. So in these set of letters, we cannot make the spelling of fast. There is one more word, right? To define quickly. Okay, he ran quickly. वो बहुत तेज दौड़ा. He ran quickly to catch the bus. Okay. So quickly means वैसे तो let's make the spelling of quickly. Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y. Quickly. So can we make the spelling of quickly? Q is there. Yes. Q. U is there. U. I is also there. Right. C. K. L and Y. So the adverb that we have made is quickly. He ran quickly to catch the bus. Okay. So please fill it up fast in your book, and I'll have to rub the board because I don't have space. So please fill these early, well and quickly fast. I'm giving you 1 minute to do this. Alright. So number 4. Number 4 is he was dash dressed. Okay. He was dash dressed. O-R-L-E-Y. O-R-L-E-Y. Okay. So he was dash dressed. ठीक है. So what is the meaning of the sentence? He was dash dressed. वो इस तरह ड्रेसअप हुआ था. ठीक है. अब वो किस तरह ड्रेसअप हुआ था? कोई भी किस तरह ड्रेसअप होता है. या तो कोई बहुत अच्छे से ड्रेसअप होता है ना, या फिर अच्छे से नहीं ड्रेसअप होता है. तो लेट्स सी. ऑलराइट. सो ही वाज वेल ड्रेस्ड. अगर वो बहुत अच्छे से ड्रेसअप हुआ है तो वी कैन से ही वाज वेल ड्रेस्ड. स्पेलिंग ऑफ वेल इज W-E-L. ओके. सो ही वाज वेल ड्रेस्ड. लेट्स सी वी कैन मेक द स्पेलिंग ऑफ वेल फ्रॉम दीज सेट ऑफ वर्ड्स और नॉट. So well के लिए we should be having W. We are not having W. E is also not there. Then we will be then 2 L's are required. Okay, we are having only 1 here. So we cannot make the spelling of well from these set of letters. So let's go to another option. अब जो अच्छे से नहीं ड्रेसअप होता है तो उसके लिए हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं? He was poorly dressed. Okay. So let's see we can make the spelling of poorly or not. So he was poorly. The spelling of poorly is P-O-O-R-L. Let's see. P is there, right? We require 2 O. So 2 O's are there, right? R is also there. L is also there and Y is also there. So yes, that's the adverb poorly. वो कैसे ड्रेसअप हुआ था? Poorly मतलब dash good to be true. Okay, so this is dash good to be true. What is the meaning of the sentence? This is dash good to be true. So ये मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छा है सही होने के लिए, right? Maybe we are talking about something or some fact, maybe. So जब कोई भी चीज़ लिमिट से ज़्यादा होती है ना, ठीक है, more than required. So what adverb do we use? We use the adverb to, T-O-O-2. Okay? Like the tea is too hot. चाय बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है, right? The weather is too cold. Okay? जो weather है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा है. ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा कोई चीज़ होती है, तो we use this adverb to, T-O-O-2. T-O-2 is different. T-O-O-2. Okay, so can we make T-O-O-2 with these set of letters? Of course, we can see that, right? T is there and two O's are there. So yes. So this is too good to be true. ये सही होने के लिए बहुत कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छा है, right? This is too good to be true. All right, so T-O-O-2. Now, sixth one. Sit dash. Okay, so you have to describe this verb sit, है ना? Sit dash. आपको कैसे बैठने के लिए कहा जा रहा है? That you have to write. Okay, so double P O double R E Y L. Double P O double R E Y L. Okay. Now how you should be sitting? Okay, आपको किस तरह बैठना चाहिए? You should sit properly, right? You should sit properly. So let's see we can make properly the spelling of properly with these set of letters or not. So the spelling of properly is P-R-O-P-E-L-Y. P-E-R-L. Proper. So let's see if we can make the spelling of properly from these set of letters or not. Okay, so P is there, one P is there. R, one R is there. O, yes, we are having O. One more P should be there. Yes, we are having it. E, yes. R, yes, there is one more R, okay. L and Y, yes, we have L and we have Y. So we can make the spelling of properly with these set of letters. That means the adverb that we should be using here to fill up the blank is properly. So what is the sentence telling us? Sentence is telling us to sit properly, okay. ठीक से बैठो. Alright. So let's write it here. Properly. P-R-O-P-E-R-L-Y. Okay, sit properly. Then eat. Sentence number 7. Eat dash. Okay. L-Y-L-O-S-W. L-Y-L-O-S-W. So, how we should eat? Okay. Should we eat fast? No, we shouldn't eat fast. Okay. Okay, we shouldn't eat fast. The set of letters that we are having, it kind of make the spelling of slow. वैसे हमें धीरे धीरे you 1 minute to do this. Please fill it up fast. Okay, so well, I think this much time is enough for you to do this. Okay, now we will do the last question, and that's a very interesting kind of question which children like so much. So just give me a moment. Okay. So number C. What is question number C? Here are some more adverbs. Can you find them in the puzzle? So in a box we are given a puzzle. Okay. So and in one small long box we are given some adverbs. So let me tell you what we have to do. Okay. Question number C. So we are given some adverbs too. Sadly, okay, nicely, properly, okay, we are still on the same page, page 18. Then quickly, and politely and rapidly. And rapidly. Okay. In one box we are given this. Now, words, so you can, just circle them. Well, you can do this question by yourself too, but for the children who cannot do this, I have to do this, okay? But it is taking time, so till then if you can do this, you can do this. Okay? Just do it fast. Question, which is a puzzle kind of question, we have to find these spellings, or I would say the spelling of these adverbs in this puzzle. Okay, so first let's find the spelling of this first adverb, sadly. Sadly, it begins with S, so let's find S. Here it is S. Okay, so here downward side we cannot make the spelling. S-A-D-L-Y. S-A-D-L-Y. Whoa, we got the first spelling. Okay. Let me see if the color chalk. Please do it like this as I am doing. S-A-D-L-Y. Alright. Then the next spelling N-I-C-E-L-Y. Nicely. For that we should be having N in the beginning. So N is there. N-I-C. E-L-Y is not there, so idhar nahi hai uska spelling. Then let's find another, and here is one N. N-I-C-E-L-Y. Okay, we got another one. So nicely the spelling is here. N-I-C-E-L-Y. Nicely. Okay. Then properly. For that we should be having P in the beginning. So P. P-O-P-O, no. No, properly spelling is not here. Okay. So across side we are not having the spelling of properly. See, let's see this row. P is not there. Here P is there. P-R. No, we should be having P-R here. P-R, it is also not here. R is also not here. Okay, second number P है इधर. Okay, P के बाद R भी है. P-R-O. P-E-R-L-Y. third one too. So P-R-O-P-E-R-L-Y, properly. We got another spelling. Okay, properly. Hope you can see that in the board. I mean the colored ones. Properly. Alright. Then quickly. Quickly should begin with, we should be having Q in the beginning. So let's find Q. Q. Here is one Q. Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y. Okay. One more spelling is there. Right? That we have found. So Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y. You have to do the same as I am doing here on the board with your pencil in your book. Then the next one is politely. For that, P should be there. P, इधर नहीं है. P-O नहीं. Then P-O. Okay, no. P-O-L-I-T-E-L-Y. Alright. We got another one. It begins with this P. Okay. So P-O-L-I-T-E-L-Y. Politely. Alright. Then next, the last one is rapidly. So R. Okay. Here downside R-A-P. No, it is not there. Let's see here. R-A-P-I-D-L-Y. Okay, we got the last one. Rapidly. So, let me highlight it for you so that you can see it clearly. Okay. Anyways, it is not visible in the computer screen. Still, then politely, okay, and nicely. Well, hope it is visible to you. It's not so much visible in the computer screen, but fine. So this is how you have to do this question, and with this question our chapter also ends. So adverbs, we have learned a lot with adverbs, right? So this is it for today. Okay, your homework is to just do the book work. Okay, nothing more. Okay, just complete your books and notebooks, and we'll meet in another lecture, same time, same place, with the same book in our hands. So till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.